how childish you mean. Get out of my room. Get out! No! I'm gonna show this to all your friends. Get out of my room. Go. I don't even like you. Get out of my room.
Yeah, I do.
No, I don't. I'm gonna cry drop in your throat.
Stop!
Get out. Get out. No. Get out. I'm gonna spank you. I'm gonna spank you.
Spanking! Stop!
Get out.
No.
You know what? Yeah, have fun, bitch. We'll have fun, bitch. Get out!
Stop! You're just acting stupid for the camera!
I'm trying to get you out of the
What is happening?
Yes, I have! Get out of my room now! No, no, get out!
Ow! You pulled my wrist!
Get out!
Dad! Quit! Ow! Hold on, bro. I'm not freaking playing. Like, dude, you literally caught my...
You're so sensitive!
You pulled my wrist! I stopped it! Ow! It hurts! Ow!
Get out!
Dude, Eric, I'm not freaking playing no more. You...
Go!
Ow! What?
Get out!
Wait, you moved my wrist!
Go! I don't want you
You're
in here!
Erica, quit freaking hitting my
Get
wrist! I'm not
out
playing!
of
No!
my room!
Ow!
That was the hair!
That freaking hurt!
Fine, I'll be like, get out!
Ah! On your bed. Erica, my
I'm
wrist!
not touching your wrist!
Sissy, quit!
Your elbow's not your wrist. I don't care. Get out, Rachel! I don't want you in here. Go!
You never get out of my room when I say get out!
You childish little girl, get out! Go,
You
go!
just pushed me more on your bed, you ignorant freak. Ow, my freaking wrist! Okay, I'm getting a curly hair and bleeding. Ow, you're pulling my hair! Ow! Quit! Do you like the way that freaking feels? You do? Why?
Get out! Ow! Ow! Get out of my room now! You pissed me off! Get out! Get out!
No, you never get out of my room when I say get out. What the heck is all over your bed?
Get out!
You got some sticky stuff on your bed, you nasty pig.
Get out!
No.
Dad!
Dad.
I'm sucking! Don't touch my boobs, you perv!
Erica, my wrist really hurts. No, first I
Get
think.
out!
Ah, wait!
Go to your room!
No.
Get out!
Don't.
I can't hit you hard.
That was funny.